This tiny device promises to solve one of the biggest anxieties for travelers with medical needs: keeping life-saving medication perfectly chilled. We're talking about a portable fridge that fits right into your car's cup holder. But can something this small actually maintain vaccine-level temperatures? This is the KMGDM Cooler's travel case. And if you or someone you love relies on temperature-sensitive pharmaceuticals, this might be the most important gadget you buy this year. The design is immediately striking. At 8 by 8 by 24.5 centimeters, it's perfectly sized to slip into a standard car cup holder, making it truly travel-ready. It's built from durable ABS, and the shock-resistant construction is key, because let's face it, road trips involve bumps and unexpected stops. But the real magic is inside. This isn't just an insulated box. It uses advanced variable frequency cooling technology. For insulin pens or specific vaccines, maintaining a precise, stable temperature is non-negotiable. The clear LED digital display lets you monitor that temperature constantly, giving you that crucial peace of mind. You know exactly what environment your medication is in, which is a huge relief. The Type-C rechargeable feature is fantastic, meaning you can power it up easily from almost any modern source, whether you're in the car, at a coffee shop, or using a power bank. It's designed specifically for those pens and vials, ensuring they are stored securely and kept effective, whether you're commuting across town or embarking on a cross-country adventure. It operates seamlessly in vehicles, making it an absolute necessity for road warriors. For anyone who has ever stressed about keeping their medication viable during a long drive or a hot summer day, this KMGDM cooler is a genuine game changer. It delivers on its promise of precise, reliable refrigeration in a truly portable format. It's a niche product, yes, but for its intended audience, the execution is flawless and the peace of mind it offers is priceless.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.